So one of the first things I always check when I have bad errors that's not easily explained is I like to check that the CalTester rod dimensions are correct. The reason I do this is there's a few ways that the dimensions could be incorrect. This could mean that your rod is either bent, or if the wand is dilated when you calibrate, it'll cause the dimensions for the CalTester rod to appear incorrect in the C3D file. So here I've already loaded a bunch of C3D files that I collected. And if I had bad errors, I would go to the Signals and Events tab, and here I can see all the information in the data tree for the force platforms. So what I would do is transform the target locations into the CalTester rod. So that way I know, because I know what those dimensions should be. So I'll go to the pipeline, and I'll find Transform Data Coordinate System. And I'm just going to transform all of my targets. So I'm going to click in the checkbox and import selected signals and then edit. So when we go into the CalTester tab, it automatically creates this Cal segment. And I want my transformed signals to go into the derived dimensions folder. And okay, and now if I step that, I should end up with this dimensions folder in my drive. But these will be a time-based signal, so I'm just going to do a metric mean on those. And the same thing, I want this to go into the metric dimensions folder. Okay, and step that. Oh, I'm going to run this on all files. And then here I would check now that all of these dimensions, all of these values are somewhat consistent. And I'm also going to check that these values for each target match the dimensions that I see that I've specified here.